Cooked up quite the winter wonderland forecast to go along with it.
We have, yeah. Cora's been out in the gorge showing us that snow. That snow line is right around Multnomah Falls and eastward. So be careful on the interstate. Also, yesterday we saw that snow shifting in, some lower elevation snow out in Cowlitz County. Take a look at these photos sent in by some viewers there out of Woodland, Washington, and also Yacolt, Washington, up in the hills. And a nice blanket of snow. It was cold enough to see that snow down to about 3,000 feet yesterday. So thankfully, we are expecting warmer conditions, so a lesser threat for low elevation snow going into today. However, that mountain snow will still fall, still a winter storm warning in place heading into today and Saturday. Significant snow on the way, but our snow levels will rise by Sunday. We're expecting snow levels to hit about 7,000 to 8,000 feet. So instead of more snow, we'll likely see rainfall over all this new snow, and that might involve some melting of the new snow. So tough to see a beautiful snowpack setting up with all of this significant snow on the way, but it might melt by Sunday. Still though, today through tomorrow, we have a winter storm warning in place. The passes will still pick up lots of snow, and we'll see tough driving conditions out there. So take it easy and be sure to check those conditions and weather cameras. About 2 feet of more snow possible on Mount Hood, maybe 2.5 for Mount Bachelor. And again, we'll see snow-packed roadways up there today through Saturday. Now, peak in Portland, we have been quite rainy this early morning, but right now we are starting to see that rain tapering a little bit. So still wet roadways out there, and you'll likely still need the windshield wipers. But here's the warm front that I've been tracking. Notice how it is starting to shift towards the east, and we're getting a nice break here in the rain. Also, take a look at those thunderstorms that are shifting over the coast range there, just inland from the coastline. So we're back under a showery pattern as we move forward today. We're expecting to see more dry breaks and some off and on rain showers. That rain was quite heavy right around the 5 o'clock hour, but again, we are drying things out already as we head into our morning. So today, that soggy start coming to a close. We'll still see afternoon off and on showers here, daytime highs mainly spanning the upper 40s to lower 50s here around the Portland metro area. Same for up to Vancouver today. We'll see daytime highs right around 51 degrees and a rainy start coming to a close, but still some showers to watch out for this afternoon. So here's our futurecast. It's time things out here. I do still see those showers pushing in, so at times today we could be quite rainy, but also dry breaks included in the mix today, especially around the afternoon. We'll still see mountain snowfall too. That continues as we head away into this evening, back under some wet weather. I would still carry the rain jacket and expect to see some rainy moments today, but by tomorrow, our next weather system rolls in, another warm front bringing us some breezy and rainy conditions and a rainy start to our Saturday morning. Still also with lots of mountain snowfall. So a soggy Saturday morning, then we're back to rain showers, and heading into Sunday, that is when that atmospheric river sets up, our second to third storm of the week here, bringing us some very soggy conditions where we have that flood watch in place. This system and that hose of moisture may bring torrential downpour and widespread rain to western Oregon and also Washington. So we'll be watching our rivers closely. They may start to swell if you live in an area that is lower lying. We could be under some urban flooding. So we're going to watch Sunday very closely as we head into the weekend here for these wet conditions. But take a look, the next handful of days, lots of rain. I see rain every single day for the next 7 to maybe 8 days. So make sure you have that rain jacket nearby. Again, a few scattered showers tomorrow, but we'll see lots of wet weather as we end the weekend. So here's your 7-day forecast. We have a KOIN 6 weather alert day both Sunday and Monday for that flood watch and heavy rain. Keep your eyes on those days for that heavy rain shifting in. But today, more rain showers. Notice those daytime highs also moving into the upper 50s to lower 60s. So more mild temperatures and temperatures away from freezing on the way here in Portland.
Thanks so much, Kelly. 6:50 on your